Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I created a split nose Halloween makeup tutorial, so please stay with me and don't forget to subscribe. So initially I started off by using this little wax that I pasted all over my nose that would act as my fake nose. So I pasted that and put it all over my nose and put some cotton wool all over the wax. I then went ahead to apply my foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 360. I'll correct this if I'm wrong. I went ahead to apply that all over my face using my Real Techniques buffing brush. I then went ahead to use the shade 365, the same foundation, to contour my face and help balance out that shade that seems quite light. And I'm using that, I'm applying that with a tiny brush. I'd also applied that foundation all over my fake nose, and here I'm still contouring my face. Now I'm blending out my concealer. I mixed the Nuban Beauty in my skin concealer in the shade 43 and the Colourpop No Filter concealer in the shade 46, and I'm applying that over the high points of my face and counting out discolorations on top of my eyelids. I'm also setting that with my setting powder and using this Real Techniques setting brush to set under my eyes and on all the parts of my face where I apply the concealer, and also the top of my eyelids. I'm also setting my smile lines and my forehead to control oil, which is very important. And I'm just doing that with this brush. Now what I'm doing now is that I'm creating the splits on my nose in between the wax, and I'm using actually my tablets to create this. I then went ahead to use this tiny brush to create some depth, and I used my Nuban Beauty Hot Flame matte lipstick in the shade Hot Flame to create what looks like blood, to make the nose split look realistic. And that's basically what I am doing now. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm creating that split nose effect, and I'm deepening that to make it look more realistic. So after doing that, I went ahead to add a little bit more of that lipstick, which is serving as kind of the blood all over that gap where I split my nose. And now I'm adding some fake blood. I'm using this blending brush to apply some fake blood all over my nose, and I went on to use a bigger brush to smudge and splotch the fake blood all over my nostrils. As you have seen, I've already tried to put one staple pin inside off camera, but now I'm putting in the second staple pin in. All you have to do is just press it in. It creates a hole by itself inside the fake nose, and it just sits there. And I'm creating the third one to make it look more realistic at the tip of the nose, and I'm just pushing that in, wriggling it in and making sure it stays in there. So that's basically how to do that. So I'm showing you guys exactly how it looks. And now I'm going ahead to apply my lipstick. I'm applying the Nuban Beauty Pro Matte 1 lipstick in the shade Hot Flame. I'm just applying that over my top lip, my lower lip, of course, and just applying that well and tying the look together. I feel that this just ties the look together so well and makes you look complete. So now I'm pouring some fake blood all over that nose to make it look more realistic. So that's basically what this look is all about. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.